It's 9 a.m., 33 degrees, and no ice here. The creek is really running. It's noisy out here this morning. We had a lot of rain overnight. We're under a flash flood advisory. If this was snow, we'd be talking over a foot, but we often don't get just the right cold along with the wet. So I suspect farther north and west, they've got the ice they were talking about this morning. I feel for them. I hope they're not losing power. Don and I have surely been monitoring the situation in Texas, and how scary for all those people to go that extended amount of time without power. You guys stay nice and dry in there. Let me go see here comes Gray. She was in the garage. That's what I figured. She'd come when I called. Hey girl, your food's over here. It's over here where it's dry this morning. You go figure it out. Let me go see Stripe and Morris. I see them waiting for me. Get back under the tarp. Come on. Morris went and hid up under the tarp. There he is. Hi buddy, good morning. You just hide on the backside for a minute and then I'll walk away. I guess we'll say our thanks that it's not pouring. But it is raining a little bit right now. Tux is like, are we going for a walk, Mom? He's nuts.
He looks like he's all ready.
He does look like he's ready, doesn't he? I tried to bring him in the house and pet him routine.
Yeah, but he's ready to be frisky.
Your girls, though, they went and hid Tux. They went and hid back in the garage. Okay, I walked him. over to the carport. He's under the van. Yeah, it is. The creek is really moving. Michelle is at Guardian Angel and she has confirmed that they are opening on time. No reason not to, but you know, we just wondered if they might delay 30 minutes like they did the one time before. Why do these things always happen on Robotics Day and Shopping Day? I don't know. Ruby is charged up and ready to go. You know, she comes online to charge every night at 8:30 if she's plugged in, charging off peak for us at approximately 7 cents a kilowatt hour. So we're good. Shopping, here we come. We do have a Triangle Tesla meetup today. I have no idea why he dropped that off in the middle of the parking lot. Here's Michelle. They're not very crowded this morning. I think that's to be expected. Hello, hello. Oh, look at you in your new mask. See, that one's right for you. I like the Yoda, but that one says jewelry. Glitter. Yes. Glitter girl. I really don't know what this guy's doing, but hopefully Ruby's safe over there. Oh, I'm cold, just like you. I'm good. I see they've changed the window to have St. Patrick's Day shirts instead of Valentine's Day shirts. This is like a little touch book. It looks homemade. Wow, it's pretty impressive. Not going to get it, but I can still be impressed with it. Sending this to a friend of mine just to see if she's interested. It's John Rossini October Gray. Michelle and I both like it. I don't see how much it is, but I'm sure it's not much. Wow, that's really pretty.
Yeah. Cheers.
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 Starfish and a mermaid. The starfish
how big it is.
I know, and it's real?
Yes.
Wow. Happy wife, happy life. Of course, it's true the other way, too. Happy husband, happy life. Adventure is out there. Let's go to Mars. Guardian Angel, where you can take a load off, put up your feet, rest and relax. Looks like no Legos today either. Bummer, bummer, bummer. Found an NC Aquarium sweatshirt. Gonna get that. And I never watched Friends, but that's a pretty nice sweatshirt too. I'm a little sad about the Scotty dog being here. 2 shirts.
From Star Wars, the ice on Hoth.
Oh, okay.
Monster.
I was thinking Brown and Chewbacca, but I see your point. Michelle's been looking at this jacket for 3 weeks. I call it the 3-week rule. If you've seen it 3 times and you really want it and it's still there, you really should grab it. You've got to be kidding me, right? Meow. Anybody have a big bird talking phone? I don't remember this, but it looks quite vintage from the 70s. So Michelle, she got her own personal shopping cart today. That's for Ariel. Ariel's room's all black and purple, and you know, girls, they need stuff for their stuff. Well, I'll see you next week. I certainly enjoyed it.
Love you, girl.
Love you too. Bye. Ruby's cold just like me. It's 34 out there. But I do understand that it could be worse and we could be having ice here and we're not, so. And I was able, it didn't keep me from doing what I wanted to do with Michelle. I guess it's 1 p.m. We weren't quite in there as long as sometimes, only 2.5 hours today, but it's really wasn't very crowded in there. It was a great day to shop. Just me over here at the environmental park. I've got my Pokemon Go all taken care of for today and I am headed back to the house. So is that our regular FedEx guy?
The regular FedEx guy.
It was
yeah.
the big truck that
Big
usually
truck.
means it's the guy we really have gotten to know a little bit.
Yeah, he's really nice. I helped him back up so he didn't.
Yeah, Ruby's outside because Johnny's got Taekwondo, and if I pull her in, the floor will be wet. Plus she's not clean. Plus she might get cleaner with the nice rain coming down. So
It's cold out there though.
it is cold. I'll be watching for if the weather's going to change. We can think about a different plan.
It was frozen like rock solid.
The meat,
hard.
butcher box. That's what came today, our monthly butcher box. So no problems with this.
No problem at all. Not there.
Well, it came like in under 48 hours this time. It was really very the most efficient it's been. So please, when it's 95 out this summer, come that efficient. Yes.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully we'll be a little more back to normal with shipping then by summer. One can only hope.
Well, after a year, you would think they'd have worked out. The FedEx would staff up, have people.
COVID would be prepared for. Yep. All right. Well, thanks for putting your hands in the freezer today and not mine.
Cool. Let me tell you.
Yeah.
I definitely. It was.
I was telling Don I overdid it with my back a little bit yesterday, so I was not going out to carry the 30-pound butcher box over to the freezer.
Yeah.
It's cream cheese bacon wrapped chicken breast for dinner tonight. Woo!